Welcome back, everybody. I just got done filming a Let's Give It a Try episode for Blackstone. That's right, 24 pounds of bacon. So stay tuned for that. But again, I want to keep bringing content with you here, behind the scenes stuff whenever I can. So check it out. I've got the brand new original Blackstone Serve and Store prep cart. I just happen to have the 17-inch air fryer combo on top of this one for my video. So in case you were wondering, this could pretty much hold any 17 or 22-inch Blackstone griddle. So let me go ahead and move this off the top. Alright, so let me get this cleaned up here. You can come in for a closer look, Hannah. So Blackstone, of course, has 3 brand new prep carts. The Adventure Ready cart, and you've seen me show that in one of my previous videos. This one here, the original Serve and Store prep cart, and of course, the Pro Series prep cart. And they're going to be hitting your Walmart stores any day now. They're in some stores already. Other ones you're going to see as we get closer to springtime. So come on here for a look. This is what it looks like, okay? It's got locking wheels, stainless steel top, okay? We have paper towel. Yikes. We have paper towel roll holder here. There are 4 tool pegs on each side shelf, and of course we have a hanger here for a 13-gallon kitchen trash bag, just like that. Here we have that stainless steel top, super cool Blackstone stenciled logo. Oh, look at there, we have a Blackstone bottle opener. And we have a drawer on top. Check it out. I just have a couple of random things in here just to show you for the video. Just happen to have our new large omelet ring, our new seasoning dredge, the brand new press and sear burger tool, and the brand new hamburger press right there as well. If you come down over here, Hannah, you'll see we have storage here in the middle. You can put whatever you want to in there. I just threw a few things in there just to show you. And of course, a huge bottom shelf as well. I know, I just have one thing in mind right now. You could load this up with whatever you want to, but check it out. There's a little plug in the bottom. Now, granted, this isn't lined with an insulator or anything, but this is a plug because you can use this for drinks in the summer if you want to. You can dump a big old 10-pound bag or a 5-pound bag of ice in here with a bunch of Cokes, whatever you want, and then you can, of course, drain your water out the bottom. So this is Blackstone's brand new original Serve and Store prep cart. This year, look for me cooking with a lot of these different prep carts here on the back porch. I might have the Pro Series sometimes the original. I'm going to look to try to do different types of configurations. Like today I had the 17-inch air fryer combo on top, just to continually show you all the different options there are. And that's probably one of the biggest things that I'm excited about right now. You know, back in the day when I just had my standard, go back right here, 8.5 years, I just had my old-fashioned front grease Blackstone griddle, and I was rocking it. But now that we have all these configuration options, oh my goodness, the world is your oyster. I just remember to get my tape measure because I know one of you are going to ask the measurements. Okay, so let's do like a full length here. If you have the shelves all the way open, okay, you are going to be looking at about 56.5 inches. I guess if you added on your tool pegs, you'd be looking at around 58 inches, okay? If you're looking at height here, people always asking about measurements. Let's do a height measurement here. Here we go, Hannah. Hannah's helping me out behind the camera today. You're looking at around 35 inches on height as well. All right, the depth of the prep cart is around 20 inches. Again, you can get these at Walmart. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon. And until next time, praise the Lord, pass the food.